good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are cleaning a mini split, the head up in this like bird sanctuary type room. Obviously it gets a bunch of that dander on there, so I brought the SpeedClean today to make it a little bit easier. That way we can just wash it all out and make it nice and clean. So with that being said, let's get started. So today we're going to use Pro Green by Diversitech. It's a highly concentrated but light duty indoor coil cleaner, good for aluminum and everything like that. But what's really specific about this one, especially with the birds here, is that it has no fumes, which is pretty awesome. So nice, clean concentrate, and this little bottle is good for a gallon. So I'm actually going to super dilute it and put it in 2 gallons of water. That way, you know what I mean, it really dissipates all chemicals if they get airborne, which they shouldn't, because this is a light duty chemical cleaner. Since this is good to go. I know that's not right, but there's no way to get this cord to the front of here. Like, that's how it's supposed to be. I gotta put tape that came with it over the electronics here, but I mean, theoretically. And then I put the splash guard up behind it. That way it all just slides right down. But yeah, I don't know what the fuck the point of this extra shit in the back is. So y'all let me know. This is the first time I've used one of these, but I'm excited to use it just because maybe it makes it a little bit easier. Comment down below what I fucked up. All right, we got this M12 sprayer. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my gloves on to be safe here. And again, this is the 2 gallon reservoir. This thing says just to mix with a gallon, but I'm gonna go ahead and dilute it like crazy just because safety, I don't know. And that's what's perfect. It's like you don't gotta do all these measurements, which you can if you gotta. Obviously you'll have to do the gallon, but I'll go ahead and put that right up in there. Too much water. So yeah, we'll start here, and we'll start spraying. Just watch the gobbledygook come out, and once some goes down, we'll just add the rest of that. And you can see the difference between this side versus that side. All right, I used about half of that. I'm gonna go ahead and just get all water now in a 2 gallon, and it's just gonna be water now. Already got one filled up with water here. Just line it up. Boom, don't even gotta worry about it. Turn it back on, spray it down. I think that's gonna wrap it up for the cleaning. You can see a massive difference. Just how clean that blower wheel is. The coil looks so much better. This is all that plastic like tape to keep all the electronics nice and clean. Splash guard worked well. I don't see anything running. Let's see. Alright. So it kind of trails down right in there. Look at all that nastiness right inside of there, boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump all this out aside, clean up the bib, clean out the bucket, and I'll let this thing dry a little bit, and then what we'll do is I'm gonna spray the outdoor coil too, make life easy, and then we'll go ahead, button this job up, and get out of Dodge. Gonna pop this crap off. Man, shit gets all inside of this plastic bib though. I just gotta figure out how this bitch goes back in there. I don't fucking know. I'm just gonna fucking crank it. Crank it. Hey. That works for me. I don't fucking know. I'll keep it all in there. I only used about half of that, honestly. I didn't want to go crazy. Only because of the birds being in there. Just to be on the safe side. We'll just push that all down in there. Put the tape in there so it doesn't get all jacked up. And then put our bucket lid on. Oh, boom. Get all this crap off of there. All right. Man, that thing looks mint. Gotta get our before and afters, of course. We already did our befores. Everything's good. Little boom. So much nicer. Ain't even one little piece of dust on these things. All right, as you can see, I'm sitting here documenting all my pictures, taking videos for before and after so I can upload them into Fieldpiece for the customer, right? And that's the purpose of having an FSM like Fieldpiece, where they can actually just reliably integrate everything for a customer service experience to where we can send everything over in their profile. They have everything they need, which is very beneficial because it keeps our records clean, keeps their records clean, and it's a big CYA. And if you know what I'm talking about, smash the like button, right? But click the link down below, man. Let them know that I sent you. But if you've been watching the channel for a little bit now, you know I've been rocking this hat for a little bit, okay? Been getting comments, what does the 2 stand for? Also, when we do the HVAC Nights podcast, I rock it as well. 1, it integrates with the colors perfectly, but also 2, this is free to grow. This is an AI voice answering system. So if you're out in the field and you're obviously deep into your work, you may not have time to answer the phone. This is where AI comes into play, right? It schedules calls for you. It does after hours calls, customizable scripting, all that hoopla. That way, what you're doing out in the field is taken care of and you can trust the product itself. Free to Grow has over a 70% booking rate, which is awesome. Again, you can customize the script any way you want to. If you want to be a sweetheart on the phone, you can do that. If you want to be an asshole like this guy, you can totally do that. And then at the beginning of this, like I mentioned with Fieldpiece, Free to Grow integrates seamlessly into Fieldpiece. It also integrates with Service Titan, Jobber, things like that. But their #1 partner is Fieldpiece. So go ahead and click the links down below, man. Check out Fieldpiece, check out Free to Grow. But let's wrap up this video. Boom. Easy peasy. Beautimous. Oh, shit. Oh, pig. There you go. Okay, there we go. Let it dry itself out. Oh my God, the airflow is so much nicer. You can obviously hear it. Excuse me, sir. Oh yeah. And that's going to wrap up today's video. What I probably could have done better was read the instructions, but I didn't have time for that. Did you have time for it? I didn't have time for it. I just wanted to get it started, and I just thought once I clipped up the bib on there, it'd be a whole lot easier. But the SpeedClean worked out fantastically, flawlessly. I wouldn't say flawlessly because I didn't do it right, but it collected all the water, all the debris, and dropped it in the bucket, which at the end of the day was the goal, right? A job like that probably needs to be done annually. Annually in a space like that. So I made that recommendation to her, so we'll probably keep doing that one as well. I'm going to read the instructions just to see what I did wrong. Again, comment down below if you guys know. Anyways, don't forget to click the links. Check out Fieldpiece, man. Check out Free to Grow. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. With that being said, if y'all could, smash the like button. Consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Later.